The continual quest to gain more views. It's an ongoing challenge for us all in the content creating community, and YouTube's new multi-language audio feature makes it super easy and accessible to those who currently have it anyway. You dub your content in different languages and you'll increase your reach, views, and ad revenue just like that. But how do you know which languages to pick and which ones have the highest value? Well, many creators start by searching for a list of YouTube CPM by country. It sounds like a logical place to start, but in this video, we'll explain why you should avoid doing this and reveal a superior method to determining the languages you want. Before we get into it, if you're into this kind of content, feel free to leave us a like and a comment below, as it'll really help us make better content for you guys. Okay, so what is CPM? CPM stands for cost per mil, or the cost an advertiser will pay YouTube per 1,000 video ad impressions. This is not the same as your estimated YouTube earnings per 1,000 ad views. This subtle distinction is essential because creators only take 55% of ad profits, while YouTube takes the other 45%. Therefore, CPM represents the cost to advertisers, not your earnings. If you're looking for your expected revenue from ad views, RPM or revenue per mil is a better metric. While the RPM on your YouTube analytics refers to revenue generated from ad views, channel memberships, YouTube Premium, Super Chat, and Super Stickers, the RPM and CPM lists you can find online only refer to ad revenue, and in this case, only include the revenue you get, not YouTube. So what's the problem with CPM lists? When you look for these lists online, you'll find results with extreme variation. CPM is far more complicated than these lists would have you believe. Both the niche and quality of your content will affect your YouTube CPM by country, meaning each creator earns a different amount. Niches can also be divided into sub-niches, some at the higher end and some at the lower end of the CPM scale. The reality is that there are too many factors to consider, and that the only proper way to discover your CPM by country is after you've translated and dubbed your content. So choosing the best YouTube dubbing languages isn't straightforward. It must be done without the use of probable CPM. And this is the dubbing dilemma. Do you choose languages based on audience size or the potential value of those markets where that language is spoken? To make the best dubbing decision and earn maximum ad revenue, you need to think like an advertiser. For example, a tech business looking to promote its brand on YouTube with informative videos will be looking for a tech-savvy audience with expendable income to burn on tech. Tech advertisers therefore prefer to place their ads on content created for high-value markets, whereas another business selling a 99-cent app has a lot more options. A low-cost product like this could be advertised practically anywhere in the world. So this advertiser would prefer to place their ads on content that gets as many views as possible, even in lower value markets. To accurately answer which languages earn the most, you need to know which countries are valued the highest and cross-reference this with population data. So let's disregard the unreliable YouTube CPM lists. Video ad spend is the best method for determining value. This data shows in which countries advertisers are already spending big on ad impressions. And if we know the top 10 countries, we can choose the best languages. If that all sounds too complicated, don't worry, we've already done it for you. In the top 10 dubbing languages video, which is linked in the description, we determined the best languages by ad spend using multiple data sources. To save going on the other video, here is a quick snapshot. At the top, you have English-speaking countries such as the US and the UK, which have exceptionally high GDP or gross domestic product, meaning video advertisers spend the most here. While Hindi-speaking audiences rank 10th on the list, their population is greater than those of Arabic-speaking audiences. You may earn less per 1,000 views if only considering CPM, but the size of the population means more can be earned overall. This is another reason why YouTube CPM by country lists are misleading. Both value and population must be considered simultaneously for it to be effective. Using solid data like this is how we help guide our clients and give them all the statistics they need to make the right dubbing decisions. But there are also other factors that can help determine the best languages for your channel. Potential ad revenue is not the only aspect to consider when deciding which languages to dub your content into. Here are some things that YouTube CPM neglects to consider. First off is niche. Niche plays a crucial role in selecting dubbing languages. For example, comedy content made for English-speaking audiences likely won't be popular in Japan, whereas your gaming content could explode with Eastern European audiences. Some research here is vital, and Voquent can help with that. Next is sub-niche. Some niches significantly influence ad revenue. Just like language CPM complexities, niche CPMs are not as simple as they seem. For instance, within the how to make money online niche, cryptocurrency far surpasses career advice. You may find yourself at the lower end of a high value niche, and that's why niche CPM lists are also misleading. Finally, we have platform. Some platforms are prevalent in specific areas, while others face bans. For YouTube domination, understanding regional platform preferences is vital. While YouTube isn't available in China, Indonesia ranks 4th overall for the most YouTube watch hours in the world, and the Asia Pacific region beats out Europe and North America for time spent on the platform. While YouTube CPM by country lists and calculators is a flawed method for choosing dubbing languages, video ad spending for content in that language is an incredible indicator of language value on YouTube. Ultimately, the more advertisers that are willing to spend on an audience, the more you will earn from ad revenue when your content caters to that audience. Increasing your YouTube profits is as simple as choosing the highest value languages that align with your niche. Head over to Voquent.com, book a free channel review, and together we can come up with a dubbing strategy that increases your profits with your niche in mind. See ya!